Welcome to Kettle Labs How-To series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to use CoPilot in Bitrix24 for task management. CoPilot is an AI-driven assistant designed to streamline your workflow. It helps with tasks like drafting descriptions, creating checklists, and automating repetitive processes, enabling you to focus on more strategic work. Here is an example of how it boosts task management. Without CoPilot, you need to spend time writing a detailed description of the task, make a checklist to avoid any oversights, and read and respond to all participants' comments, keeping the whole context in mind. And to make it easier, CoPilot can compose an accurate task description and break it down into steps, generate a checklist to avoid distributing assignments manually, and analyze all participants' comments, highlight the main points, and propose a solution. Let's see how it works. First, log into Bitrix24. Next, click on the Tasks and Projects tab on the sidebar. Then, click the Create button. After that, type and add a title. Click on the CoPilot icon and add a prompt to the CoPilot. Here, we will create a checklist for the given prompt and review the description generated by the CoPilot. Then click Save to generate the checklist. You can now see that the checklist is generated. Finally, click Add Task. You will see the task has been added. You can open the task to view the checklist. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Bitrix. Thanks for watching.